This is why you need to master local SEO. Your multi-location business depends on it. Managing local SEO for a business with multiple locations offers unique challenges. First, consistency is key. Ensuring your business name, address, and phone number are identical across all listings is crucial. A single typo could steer your customer and Google in the wrong direction. Second, embrace localization. Tailoring content to reflect local culture and events can make each location appear more relevant and engaging to its community. However, this requires a delicate balance so that each branch strengthens the overall brand without straying too far from the core identity. Another hurdle is managing online reviews. Positive reviews boost your local search ranking, but a systematic approach is needed to address feedback across all locations effectively. This could be a major operational headache without the right strategies and tools. Authority Solutions steps in here. With our expertise in multi-location SEO, we streamline these processes, enhancing your local search presence while you focus on running your business. Interested in boosting your business's local SEO? Like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and don't forget to turn on notifications for our latest updates. Your next big business breakthrough is just a click away.